Quick 1 minute video on this 2024 brand new ePro 20 FKS. Little refrigerator there. Got a bicycle rack. That's an option. It comes with a extra solar panel, slide topper, 1800 watt inverter, puts out 110 power. Big storage compartment in the back here. Comes with a griddle and a stove. Off-road tires. It's about 21 feet 2 inches long. Had solid steps on it. Couch does make a bed. 12-volt refrigerator. Big front kitchen. Countertop. Microwave. 32-inch TV. Shower. Bedroom here with a bunk above it. Come see it. Quality RV Sales and Service.